Here we have a brand new 2024 Transit low roof. This is a 250 long, 148 wheelbase. That means you get 10 feet of cargo space behind the driver. This particular one's got a side and rear glass on it. Of course, it's heated glass. And you get your low mounted backup camera on these. They show you that you get the 253-degree rear opening. You can lock the door in the 180 or unlock it, go all the way back to this and that connect up. Lock on so it's windproof. Manual slide door. Inside you got the vinyl floor coverings. Short arm power mirrors. Check out the old spec sheet. 2024 250 low roof cargo, rear wheel drive, the 148 wheelbase, the 3.5 V6. Let's go to the options on this one. It's got the 373 limited slip axle, the front license plate bracket. If you live in a front plate state, you're going to want that. The vinyl front and rear floor covering, fixed rear and passenger door glass, a 9150 gross vehicle weight rating package, 2 extra keys giving you 4 in total. So check out everything else we can. You can see she's got the dark gray vinyl seats. They came out looking like black leather. Driver gets an armrest for a full captain's chair. You got the 4-inch screen with a backup camera. Let's see. This one is just open plain canvas. Any upfits you need for work or play. Ladder racks, towing, lights, any sort of trade packages, HVAC, electrician, just basic shelves, bulkhead. We knock all that out here in-house. Give me a call or text 404-729-1374. We are in Atlanta. If you want to pick her up, we'll get you at the airport, or I could put her on a flatbed, send her anywhere in the country for you. All of the information for this unit and our contact info is down in the description.